Guys, welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today I have a little recap for you. I didn't get to trade this morning. Had to run some errands for home projects here, and I just couldn't get to trade. I really didn't get to my system until midday, and really I didn't think I was gonna get to take a trade today. But we had AKTX, and I remember it very well because I tweeted about it. I was in line at Home Depot, and AKTX was going absolutely insane, and I was hating every second of being in that line at the paint department. But I caught a little piece of it. And obviously I didn't get to record it live, but I did catch a little piece of it in after hours. And the reason I didn't, record it is because the trade actually took place on my phone while I was in bed with a migraine. So I only traded 100 shares of it, but I had to trade it because earlier in the day I had identified that if we got over this little area right here at 540s, we had a gap fill to at least 628, 650 area, okay? So there was that gap fill there. And in after hours, the stock made a nice push. I mean, it made a nice push end of the day. Trying to get this. Here we go. In after hours, we made a nice push all the way up here to about 620s, and then we pulled back in. I got long just 100 shares at 601, and I sold into this push here, which filled the gap. I was actually thinking that, we weren't going to make a push in after hours. We would probably just trade sideways between $6, maybe 590 and 620, and just trade sideways all after hours, and tomorrow morning gap up maybe 650, $7. But it hit, it did the plan that I wanted, so I took my profit, and I do have the orders here to show you right here. Buy 100 shares AKTX executed at 601. Sell 100 shares at 655. So that was it. That was my trade on it today. I really didn't get to capitalize on that humongous move it made. It made such a beast move. I mean, this thing was a chop fest. Let me tell you, it was not easy to trade this. Let me show you this chart. This is the 15-minute chart, and look at all these wicks on the way up, wicks down. Shorts were getting short up here in the 530s and 550s, and then get that out of there. Then we had this bear flag forming here. So, shorts were piling in there at 5, extra confident, but at the same time being scared that they had not broken under a VWAP, and they got squeezed there at the bell. Simple as that. I guess swing traders rolled on in, bought up all these, made the shorts cover, and there it is after hours hanging out. And we'll see where it opens up tomorrow and see what's in play. How did you guys do today? Leave the comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you traded, what your entries and exits were. Remember to hit the subscribe button, notification bell, so you're alerted every single time I upload a video. Give the video a like. Because I came out here with a headache and brought this little recap for you guys. Come on now. And I'll catch you on the next.